Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make pad Khi Mao today. I adapt the recipe a little bit by using the Vietnamese rice paper instead of rice noodle. Soak it in warm water 3 to 5 minutes. Spread it on the cutting board. Then put the oil on front and back side. Then roll the rice paper up for 4 times. It will be about 2 centimeters like this. Repeat the process until we reach the amount that we want. I use about half of the package today. Then cut it in 3 pieces. Make sure they are not stick together. Then bring water to a boil. In the meantime, we are going to cut our vegetable. You can also add the baby corn into this dish, but I don't like it, so I will skip that then. After that, we will prepare our seafood. Start from the fish balls and fish. You can also use chicken or beef if you don't like seafood. Cut the squid. And peel the shrimps. When the water is boiling, we will add vegetables. Leave them in for 5 to 10 seconds. Then take them out. Use the same boiling water to boil the seafood. Take them out when they are about 90% done. After that, we will prepare the chili paste for our stir fry. Start from black peppers, garlic, and chili. Pound them until it looks like this. Then it's good. Then you heat up the pan and add the cooking oil. Add the minced pork when the oil is hot. After that, add the chili paste. And seafood. Add the seasoning after that. Start from oyster sauce, sugar, seasoning soy sauce, and fish sauce. Stir for a few times, then add vegetables. Stir for a bit before adding the noodles. Stir and make sure that the sauce will get into the noodles. Add Kaffir Lime leaf, fresh green peppercorn, and basil. Stir again for a few times, then add the red chili. Now it's ready. Wow, looking good, guys. So good. The taste is amazing. I hope you enjoy my video, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.